Hello, my name's John Evans and I'm the headmaster of Royal Russell Junior School. The most exciting thing that's happening at the moment is we are building a brand new bespoke junior school from the ground up. During the building and design process, what we've thought about it is, what will the building do to enhance our vision for education? We've thought really carefully about the spaces that we need, the flexibility within that, the duality of some spaces so we can be as efficient as possible to make sure that we still retain all of those things which are absolutely pivotal to the sense and the feel of Royal Russell Junior School, but also then to be enhanced and grown and pushed forward by this brand new building. It's easy to get wowed with designs where huge buildings go up and slides come out the side and all of those sorts of things. But in reality, we want every feature of that building to fit within the estate and have a purpose in terms of education of the whole child within the junior school. So the architect designed a building which is impressive, it looks fantastic, it's a wonderful welcome onto the entire Royal Russell estate. But also it's going to be a home from home for our very smallest children. They've got their own separate entrance, a woodland walk down to the early years area. Key stage 1 and 2 will enter the building from a different direction and then into play spaces and open areas as well. And from the rear aspect you can see the shape of the building opening up, the bridge which is the spine of the building running through, and you can understand then about that journey all the way through from the school, but it's absolutely part of the landscape. So the new building will have a completely bespoke science lab, it will have a brand new art and design centre, it will have a brand new huge library, a gathering stair for formal and informal gatherings, so assemblies but also parent meetings, and the idea that the spaces can be used flexibly as part of not just Royal Russell's community but also the wider community as well. I would be lying if I said there wasn't a bit of mud on the road and there wasn't a bit of noise every now and again, but the Buxton, who are our contractors, and we've worked really carefully with them to help to sequence everything all the way through the build so that it minimises the impact on learning as much as it can. We are absolutely going to be in there by September 2026. So that means we're going to be hosting our first group of children in September 26 in our brand new junior school, so opening our doors then. We're absolutely on track for that. My hope is maybe if we can get the building handed over to us sooner, that we can really start to turn it from a building into our school, so we can start to put that Royal Russell stamp of love and care and community onto it. But we are on track to be ready and open in September 26. It's absolutely business as normal, and we spoke earlier about being a school of relationships, and so the ability for perhaps prospective families or those who are just curious who want to know more about a Royal Russell education, we're still running open days, we're still running personal tours, we're still running child-led tours, so our current building is absolutely open for business as usual, and you can come and experience what it is like to be a Russellian at this point in time, even with all of the excitement going on as well. I think it would be really hard not to be excited by the sheer scale of what we're undertaking. This is a brand new bespoke school, so to be able to take a vision for education that's had input from everybody who works within the school, who lives within the school, from the children who are educated within the school, and to crystallise that through the brilliant thoughts and minds and expertise of our wonderful architects, and then brought to life by our brilliant contractors. It's hard not to fall in love with being able to be a part of that project. But I don't think you could find a single person who is connected to the junior school who isn't excited about what's going on.